stream. I hope you're well. I'm doing fine, thank you. Happy to hear it, Mango. It's lovely to have you. Welcome on in. Yeah, I'm a Twitch streamer who's getting married to a guy who streams as a dog. So I'll just be peeking in now. Oh god. Oh god, lads. Oh god. That one is for you, Nick, and Jesus Christ. That's what I'm saying, Nick. Jesus. Jesus, gee. Thank you for the gifted sub to Penis, Butter and Jelly. Delicious sandwich. Delicious. I can't even English. God. Jesus Christ. Oh. Kate's face every time. I need to just put a mask on because I know that the reaction feeds you, but I do have a face where I cannot hide how I feel on the inside. How I feel gets written across my face each and every single fucking time. No matter what situation I'm in, which is not good. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Rexus, thank you for the gifted sub to Kentucky Jelly. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, if that's something. And Anonymous, thank you for the gift sub to Cock Meat Sandwich. No mask, please. No masks, please. Gross Cherry, just gross. Wow, Cherry. Excuse you, bitches! Oh god, oh god. Did you find a chainsaw when you moved to Texas? I sure fucking didn't, Voltron. I'm in the burbs. Ain't no Texas Chainsaw Massacre here, bitch. You what, bruv? I'm just trying to get like into the emotion of it for Cherry's sake, you know. I'm just trying to get into it. That's all I'm trying to do. I want to put on some synthwave. I'm sick of lo-fi. It's a synthwave kind of day. There we go. Shaz. Yo, Negan is here, lads. I have been having some thoughts about TwitchCon. Some thoughts I think might be deemed controversial, but as you know, I am a bitch with a big mouth and I don't know how to shut it. So I don't think I want to go. I know that Ice Cream Posse is doing a get together in August. Do I want to go to that? Fuck yes. Do I want to go?
You fucking what?
Become Dro 2024.
Oh god, D. Thank you for 100 bits. Thank you for the 100 bits, D. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, lads. So, do you want to hear my thoughts on TwitchCon or no? Because I've been mulling this over for quite a while since like it got announced, and my immediate reaction was, yes, I want to fucking go. I can't fucking wait. I'm going to hug everyone. But then I was like, they're putting it on in an incredibly expensive city. Barrick and I are going to have to fly there. Our accommodation was almost $500. Then we have to feed ourselves for the day, and then we have to pay for Ubers. And to be honest, oh god.